Hi guys, it's Jen here at Check Her Joy, and this time I'm reviewing She-Hulk Volume 1, Law and Disorder. This is issues 1 through 6 from 2014, and the art and writing is by Soule, Javier Pulido, and Ron Wimberly. Those names will be down in the description. Jennifer Walters is a shy attorney, good at her job and quiet in her life, when she found herself gunned down by a crime boss. With her life on the line, only one person was close enough to donate the blood she needed for a vital transfusion: her cousin, Dr. Bruce Banner, who was secretly the gamma irradiated monster known as the Incredible Hulk. Bruce's blood saved Jennifer's life, but gave her the power to turn into a super strong, green skinned bombshell. Unlike her cousin, Jennifer Walters has managed to maintain her sanity and control over the superhuman form, and even continued her career as an attorney, while also doubling as a member of the Avengers, the Fantastic Four, and a superhero known the world over. When justice is threatened, you can bet on the gamma-powered girl with the brain and brawn to right some wrong, the sensational She-Hulk. So Jennifer Walters is a attorney, and that is kind of her main thing, is being an attorney in these comics. And then she also has these like superhero powers on the side. Just pretty cool. Kind of reminds me a lot of Daredevil, who incidentally makes an appearance in these comics. So we start off with Jennifer Walters having this review from the firm that she's working for, and they have a disagreement on whether or not she should be bringing in, other superheroes who need legal help. So she decides to quit. Slash was just about to get fired anyway. And she ends up getting blackballed by them, and she has to start her own firm because she can't find a job at any others. Slash doesn't really want to. There are a lot of clients that also got warned off of her, so kind of struggling at the being attorney thing for a moment. But she does get a few cases, like Victor Von Doom's son, Christoph? Yeah, Christoph, who wants to claim political asylum in the US, so she tries to help him. There's also this mysterious blue file that she is going to investigate for a case. So lots of attorney stuff going in here, and there's also a lot of fighting and turning into the Hulk and smashing things. I love getting to see the other members of the Avengers and other superheroes in here. Like, she has a client who wants to sue Stark Industries. So as soon as she shows up at Stark Industries, she's like, I'd like to see Tony. And then it's about a legal matter, and all of a sudden she gets redirected to the legal department and can't talk to Tony Stark and gets shut out. And how she has to deal with that. So she has a best friend and another superhero known as the Hellcat, Patsy. And she also has this paralegal working for her. It's kind of weird. I don't know what's up with her yet, but she's got like a pet monkey that is with her at all times, which is kind of weird. She also works in a building with other mutants and super powered people, which is really awesome. I know I found the She-Hulk really interesting because she still keeps like her intelligence and like her conscious thinking and stuff when she becomes the Hulker version of her, but she's also kind of always the Hulk too. Like, she's always walking around green. There's art in here. Here's a look at the art on the first pages. It's kind of has this very mixed up art style though. So like there'll be the serene scenes where everything is kind of polished and pretty. Then there's other scenes where she's fighting, and not just she gets like disproportionately drawn as bulkier and weird, but so do like the other people. And I'm not. It's kind of a weird thing going on. So like there's scenes like this where everything's kind of rough, and then there's scenes like this where everything's kind of polished. I don't know, it's kind of cool to see a female superhero who's already established herself as being powerful and somebody to be reckoned with, to the point that some bad guys even just run away from her, like, I'm not gonna fight the Hulk. Don't care if it's a girl Hulk or not. It's not fighting Hulk. So there's never like a question about whether or not she's strong enough as like a superhero to do this, and it's more about her personal life and whether or not she can get all the like get the job done and get the firm running and balance having friends with it. So I love the She-Hulk, and I'm going to be reading more of these, and you should read them also. That's my recommendation. Anyway, hopefully I described these well. Did horrible. Too many comics at once. Anyway, peace out. I love you guys, and keep reading. Bye.